Do you know what fire is? How does fire appear? And why can water extinguish fire? Let's see together here. First, we must know more about fire. Fire is a product or result of a chemical reaction between a material and oxygen gas, where fire can be visualized as a light that feels hot. So, a chemical reaction without the presence of oxygen gas cannot produce fire. For example, in a vacuum, there will never be fire because there is no air, where 30% of the air is oxygen gas. Next, an interesting fact that you should know about fire, namely that fire always moves upwards and has a variety of colors depending on the type of material that reacts and the temperature or heat of combustion produced. The resulting fire is always oval. This is because it is influenced by the Earth's gravity. If we take fire into space, the fire will be round. Now, next we understand how fire can appear or be produced. The chemical reaction that produces fire is called a combustion reaction, which is classified as an exothermic reaction, namely a reaction that releases energy in the form of heat and light. Now, then how can fire appear? Now we discuss in the science of reaction kinetics. When a material collides with oxygen gas, the molecules or atoms in the material will try to break the chemical bonds with each other and bond with the molecules or atoms of the oxygen gas that collide. The process of breaking bonds in matter requires energy, and the process of forming new bonds with oxygen also requires sufficient energy. That is why when we burn a piece of paper with a match, it will be very easy to produce fire compared to burning one block of wood with the same match. So, the energy that has a very big influence is called activation energy. If the energy is appropriate or sufficient, a product in the form of fire will be produced. But conversely, if the energy is not sufficient, the reaction will not occur, and fire will not be produced from the reaction. So if we break down how fire can appear, it depends on several factors, namely 1. Availability of material. 2. Availability of oxygen gas. 3. Adequate activation energy.